Me and Pony Pop out here popping fireworks. Happy 4th of July, Independence Day, or weekend, everyone.
What? What? Oh, no.
There's a lot of other people out here popping fireworks too, everybody. It's like a whole party of people.
I didn't see no diamonds when I light it up.
Oh, that's a diamond one.
Yes, diamond. Oh, that's gold.
Yeah. That was a lot more.
Look at how much smoke that is.
Wait.
No!
You like the ladybug. Hold on.
This doesn't look like a ladybug.
Oh my gosh. Shit! Oh my god. I didn't know it was gonna do that. Oh my goodness. Yeah, it's crazy.
That's all that fog away.
Hold it up. Wow. That's a sword. Hold it up. Hold it up. You gotta hold it up. You stepping back away from it. You still holding it. Hold it up. Oh my goodness.
No.
Just put it down there with the other one. Put it over there. We're gonna pick up the trash in a minute.
You're fine. Come here out. You're fine. No, no.
Okay.
Ooh. Put that back.
Go, 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 go.
I swear.
Oh my god. Where'd it go? Where did it go? Oh my god.
It almost flew to me and burned my own skin. It almost got me.
Go ahead. You gotta hold it out away from you. Hold it up. There you go. Shake it. Put it over there with the other stuff. There's another one. Make sure you aim it out that way, not towards the light pole thingy. Oh. was huge. Hold on it.
Oh, did he swallow the seed?
Watermelon.
No, I spit it.
Bree, look.
I know you always do that.
Oh, wait.
Don't mess with this, sweetie.
It's not going to do this explosion.
Hold on.
Can I just do that one?
Go ahead. It kind of messed up, though. Hurry up. Get back.
Nope.
Shit. Oh my God.
I'm afraid.
Wait,
What? You're
Huh?
gonna say goodbye.
Oh yeah, I turned it off. I got to put another battery in there.
Yeah, it's got spinning and stuff.
You right here, yeah.
Wait, why did you run away?
Cause she looked like she's scared. Oh my God.
That's a dog.
What?
It's go like the other one. I don't even know what that one was supposed to do.
I think it was supposed to be.
What did it do?
Oh no, it just flew off.
What?
Wait, that speedy thing. What that dog is on you. I don't know what that dog is on.
Oh my God.
Hey, Bree. Oh, here. Come pour this in here.
What? Shoot.
Pour that in there. Okay, that's good. About to light the... Stop, Bree. Wait. Okay, go.
It is a rocket. It won. That is how you know it is a rocket.
Let me pop one.
What's that? What?
Smoke.
Oh, Roman candles.
I can't breathe.
That's why you put that down. Put that down.
No.
Oh, that's already here. It's already popped. She already popped that one. He can mess with it. It's not lit no more.
Can I pop one? No. Yes.
Can I pop a Roman candle?
My dad trusts me.
Me too.
And I'm 11 years
You gonna pop
old.
that one.
No, you're not. Stop playing.
Put that down. You can pop some more Roman candles.
Roman candle.
I'm 11.
I don't need that. I got a lighter. Since I was born. No,
He said since he was born.
Oh, don't let me use lighters.
You don't really make
Y'all aim them out.
I got burnt one time. I don't want that to happen again.
Here.
Oh, you got burnt.
Make sure you pull the stem out. Here. Who didn't get one?
Oh my God. I didn't get one.
You want to light it? Can you do it?
No, I'm scared.
You scared? Okay. Don't do it if you're scared.
I keep on getting scared.
Hold them out. Hold them out. Hold them out. Hold them out.
No, Ethan's not allowed to. I'm sorry. My little brother Ethan was trying to do
Oh, okay.
He's not allowed to.
Okay.
It's like a little Harry Potter thingy. Just swirling around. Oh, Jesus. A little bit of Harry Potter. Do someone have a paper towel? Oh, no, you don't know.
Hey, can I actually watch the camera?
Get another one, Bree.
Can I try? I'm 8 years old. No.
Your sister said no. He said he's 8 years old.
I'm not 8. Y'all gonna burn yourself.
Go ahead, Bree. Go out there and point it out.
I'm 13. No, you're not. I'm 13. No, you're not.
Shut up.
Cousin 13.
You need to pay attention to what you're doing. Hold it up and hold it out.
First, I'm done with this. I don't care. What was that? It's like a little Harry Potter. You just wave it around.
Excuse me. Like,
Wait,
excuse me.
Huh?
okay if you get one of those?
What?
The ones that we got.
Yeah, she got to pop that one. Oh, you said, can you get one? Yeah.
What can I get one of those?
Boom.
No. When I say no, I mean no.
Want them up.
Up.
What did it just do?
How are you, sir? Where did I want to go?